Hi my little friends. Now we know how the letters look and what are their shapes. Now let's see how the letters sound. Shall we begin? Okay. A makes A. B makes B. C makes K. D makes D. E makes E. F makes F. G makes G. H makes H. I makes E. J makes J. K makes K. L makes L. M makes M. N makes N. O makes O. P makes P. Q makes Q. R makes R. S makes S. T makes T. U makes A. V makes V. W makes W. X makes X. Y makes Y. And Z makes Z. Practice all the sounds and we will meet in lesson 3 to see how the different sounds blend. Bye for now. Thanks for watching.